little bit of call and response. Okay, we've been playing things, as you've been hearing, we count to 4 again and we start over. Each time we count to 4, we call that a measure. So I'm going to play a rhythmic idea to you that is 1 measure long. It takes place in those 4 beats, and you're going to play it back. So I could play blah, 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 blah. You play blah, 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 blah. Blah, dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ding, 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 ding. Dig it, dun, 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 dun. Dig it, dun, 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 dun. Dig it, dun, 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 dun. Awesome. So I don't know if you noticed, but the last 3 things that we played all really had the same rhythm, but I was moving them to whatever drums I felt like. So that's one thing that can be really fun. If you're learning how to improvise on the drums, you can play the same rhythmic idea, but just change your notes like you would if you were playing like a guitar or a saxophone. But having that same rhythmic idea actually makes it really fun to listen to, and it kind of makes it seem like you have a plan, even if you're making it up on the spot to some extent.